It is 12:30 at night, Calgary, and no one is fucking home. And I just spent like 3 hours doing shit for work on the floor right there. Time to fucking leave. Yeah. Holy shit, it's cold. Literally the only motherfucker here. That was it? Yeah. Okay, cool. Figure out where the fuck the key is. I'm gonna find the lockbox so that we can get into this place. Kevin is supposed to be here at 3 a.m. It is currently 1 a.m. What time is it, Kevin?
5 a.m.
5 a.m. Are you gonna sleep?
Yeah. Check it out.
I don't know. 10 a.m. 11 a.m. Go to sleep. I haven't slept. I should probably sleep. But
wrap your arms around me, burn like a cigarette.
Garbage. Yep. We need to go get some real coffee. Morning. Holy shit, there's a ton of snow here. Oh. Holy crap. So Kevin wants to drive to Banff in road conditions like this, which is pretty terrible because if we get into an accident, we're pretty much effed. The likelihood of us getting into a car accident is pretty high, considering that rental cars around here, they don't give you like 4-wheel drive cars. They just give you the run-of-the-mill car, like one of those right over there, Honda Civic, old thing, and it's not really ready for the snow. I don't know. I'm still up for just taking the shuttle. Either way, coffee they had there was yeah. So we're gonna go find some good coffee.
These are the moments I cherish. Was hiding from the rain. I stay by your side till I perish. I know you do the same. I never knew that this could feel so good.
Kevin's still asleep right now. It's like 10. We're supposed to go to Banff at noon. He's trying to kill time and maybe get some shots before he wakes his ass up. And so I think I found the prettiest thing out here in Calgary. Just a park to come and take a walk at. And minus the music that's playing right now in the background. Freaking natural frozen lake. That's a / ice rink.
These are the moments I cherish. You kissing me goodnight. Everything else seems to vanish when I'm lying by your side. I never knew that this could feel so good.
That was fun, but my nose is frozen out and I feel like it's gonna fall off. Baby girl! Baby! Baby girl! I have this orthopedic boot that they gave me for falling downstairs.
Drunk? You fell upstairs?
I wasn't drunk. I just was sick, didn't feel good, and I fell off the stairs. And they had like a canary that, it's like a spy canary that monitors the house. The canary caught me falling, but it didn't catch the actual fall. All it caught was me walking down the stairs, and then me on the floor at the bottom of the stairs. I didn't even know, and then my friend was like, oh, I think we caught it with the canary or whatever. And I was like, what the fuck? You have like a spy cam on me? It didn't even do its job though. It didn't catch the moment. It caught everything but the moment. We're done.
Oh, Canada.
Oh, Canada. I love your mountains. And your maple syrup. Okay. Oil. What the fuck? We're gonna get hit by cars. What's gonna happen? Let me in. Kevin!